So I wanted to show a couple things on this Ppizkk 135 Pro as far as fit and finish. On the back you got the on-off switch that just kind of moves back and forth. And then where the cord goes in the back, I don't know if you can tell or not holding this in my hand, but look at that, how that moves around. So as far as durability, how long that'll last, not sure. But anyway, just kind of get an idea. I mean, look how small this thing is. I got some measurements I took, but boy, portability, you can't beat that. You could throw that in the back of your toolbox that you take on the trail with you, and use it if you need to get you a trail fix to get you home. You're out jeeping or something. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that little bit with the fit and finish on it.